Accelerated Mixed Martial Arts Training, MMA Force Delivery Technique, Power Striking, course number 1. In this course, I'm going to share and teach it to you the global principles and concepts that you need in order to be more effective if you're learning how to become a better MMA striker, boxer, or kickboxer. I'm also going to share with and teach some of the specific skill sets that I have developed in order to learn how to create that maximal power and leverage that are needed if you're going to have a knockout shot in your MMA training or competition. Now I want to go ahead and first say that people who have been following me on my video series and courses, if you're a regular in here that have been following me, some of the principles that I'm going to be talking about through this entire course you have already heard, and I'm going to go ahead and reinforce them because they are important for all the new people who are joining in this course in here. So for all the newbies in here who don't know who I am, or newbies who are new to mixed martial arts or martial arts in general, these concepts and principles are very important to learn and understand and master if you're going to be more effective in your MMA striking. Okay? The concepts and principles and the skill sets in here that I'm going to share with you throughout this course can be adapted to anybody regardless of age, skill, gender, and weight class. So I'd advise you to listen closely and take what's useful and discard the rest.